Alright guys, so we are now getting ready for the Pennsylvania required monthly statewide test. Partly the statewide required monthly test. We're getting ready for it right now. So I'm getting ready for it, so I'm gonna have to talk over until somebody starts testing. So this should happen anytime soon. So somebody better start testing any second now, cause yeah. So let's see if anybody starts testing anytime soon. I'm pretty sure somebody will be. It's not happening on all weather radio, it's only happening on AM/FM. So let's just see what happens here. People should start testing here in a second. So, yeah. Let's just see who starts first. It is now 10:30. So let's just see who goes off first. WSOX on there, WZCY on there, flipping stations through there, WROZ playing on there. So everybody should start testing here in a second. So let's just go ahead and do this. Test. So, here we go. Let's see who tests first. So, come on, somebody start testing, please. I really want someone to start testing. Let's go, come on. Who's gonna test first? There we go. Here goes WGTY. Oh, that's SOX. WSOX now going off. There we go.
This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency.
The WKL's going off.
Test. This is a statewide required emergency alert system, originating Pennsylvania Emergency Management.
WAYZ.
Pennsylvania Emergency Management.
WNNK. WRARM. Okay. Nope. Okay, I gotta turn that down. Come on. Alright, shut up, everybody. Shut up. Shut up. Come on, shut up. Everybody, shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Well, now I gotta see who else is testing. Nope. Nope.
Earth.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
You know.
Nope. Alright, our MTers are done. There we go.